Okay, just a quick one. I just want to show you guys. Um, Rise and fall is also sometimes very sweet, very interesting. I think the last video I made, I did rise and fall. I've been very tired. I'm just trying to rest. So I just want to cover probably one of the recording and then show you the results. I think most times when I'm trying to record, it distracts me a lot. So I'm waiting for the right entry to enter. I'm actually watching out for it. It's not pulling back, so uh, that's why I'm not entering, because it's not pulling back. I just needed okay, I have R100 signal popping up. Let me go and see that and see if I can trade that. Okay, I just entered a trade for R100. That's 18%. No, it moves very fast. 5%. I just need 20. Now, okay, I've just been able to make 18% trading with $50. So it just how many minutes? But the market has already pulled back. So I want to show you how I grew this $100 in under 5 minutes to 175, right? Do I also lose? Yes. I think I had so many meetings yesterday that I had. Okay, just a minute. The 100 is back, so I'm waiting for pullback. The 100 is back, is moving down. That's the signal I just received. So I'm waiting for it to actually pull back up, for me to be able to enter at the right time. Okay. I'm just waiting for small profit, small percentage. That's all. Small percentage. It's pulling back, speedy. Okay, well, everything will make it go down, but because I'm using a very short time frame, just 2 minutes, so I'm waiting for it to give me percentage. You can see it's just moving slow, and it can decide to pull back by. But this one should go down. Okay, that's 12%. Okay, I've seen more. That's 34%, right? That's $17. Now I have signals where I'm getting the signal from. You are hearing sounds. Now I generate it on my phone as well. It's not easy task getting it on the phone. Okay, so let me show you the profit table from this $100. I needed to fund some people, so I wanted to fund my account, but I said, Now I had somebody made a deposit. Now these are all the trades you're seeing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 trades. I started 338. That's like 438 right now. So 438 to 445. That's almost like how many minutes? In less than 10 minutes. So it's almost 100%. So that's like $90. $90 profit. Now, maybe you don't know. Let me show you the statement. You'll see somebody made a withdrawal. So it will come to my own account as a deposit. You can see deposit $100. Before this, have I lost? Yes. We were having a workshop yesterday and I was doing nonsense because I was extremely tired. That's why I had to rest today. Okay, I may not be able to show you the losses from here. Let me show you my losses so that you will not think it's all go. Will you lose? Yes. Are you seeing $5? It is not even this $5 because this was when I was now testing the mobile signal. You can see winnings, you can see losses. Let me show you the actual losses that happened. This is $200. This was because I was not myself. I was doing other things. I was talking to people and I was trying to also chop one signal or the other while I was talking to them. So you need to stay focused whenever you want to trade. Is it possible you win and you lose? Yes. But the plan is you always have more wins than losses. God bless you. I'll see you in another video.